from not know all the methods, sir.
Sir, actually, what the problem is with the Lagrange
Uh,
method, the
can
calculation
you
is very
people
big.
turn on the videos actually? I just want to see that. Because while you are studying, uh, you should have to sit at a proper place. It's not like that you can sit anywhere and then you can learn. Therefore, I want to see your faces. Where are you sitting during the time of classes? Because if you will sit on bed, you will get different feeling of bed actually. Sometime आप लेट जाओगे कुछ करोगे and so probably you won't get actually whatever. This is not a movie because that is the difference between study and movie type of thing. Even if we watch the movie and when we are the laying down on the bed, we don't capture it properly. Therefore, हम उठ के थोड़ा बैठ जाते हैं कि देखते हैं अभी क्या चल रहा है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sometime when this looks boring, we lay down. Okay, let it be. Whenever we want something interesting, we just get up, sit properly, attentively, right? Just to catch up the entire thing. So this is the personal thing that wherever you are sitting for class or anything, you should sit at a place which is designed to study. Actually, you should have a at least a table, a notebook, a pen, a calculator because that's always needed actually. Huh. Now your question, Achal, that you are saying that calculations are big. Yeah, obviously those are big.
No, sir, it's fine for the forward, backward, and linear. Sir, the
Huh.
Lagrange one for especially this question, sir, it's very long. So our calculator is running out of, space.
हाँ but
Q1 निकालने के लिए ही सर कैलकुलेट में पूरा वो टर्म्स नहीं आ पा रही.
so 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 uh, so who told you just to calculate everything in one line? You can't do it part by part. अब थोड़ा आप sense use करिए. Sense
So
in the
that's fine,
sense.
but while using part by part also, like if even if you want to just calculate the Q1 part, sir, that is also not possible,
Yes, sir.
which is making it very difficult. Rest we have done the forward, backward, and the linear
So
one.
And if we have to
what
solve the
recipe
Q&A
do you
part,
have? What recipe you have? What solution you have then?
sir, I say we understand the method by the previous question you gave us, and we say we don't do the Lagrange method on this question, sir. This is very lengthy, sir.
No,
Or
don't
sir,
do
you can
that.
give us some other question which is
Other
a little
question, yes, sir.
shorter than this, so we can do the
Okay,
Lagrange
that's
on that.
okay. Fine, fine. Listen to me. Okay, on paper, okay, that's going big, fine. Then you use your the Excel sheet then. Excel sheet में तो दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए ना. Excel sheet तो can calculate anything. Excel sheet
Actually,
तो कर
sir,
सकता है.
I don't know how to use Excel.
I can tell. I am here for what purpose?
हाँ सर आप बोल दीजिए हम कर से सीख जाएंगे.
So I am here for what purpose? Or the obviously I am not teaching you the lab, but that's okay. But as far as whatever I need for my questions to be solved, I am here to do for that purpose only. So Excel is the simple here. So let me share actually screen.
Also, sir, the answers that we are getting from forward and backward difference, so they are almost same. There is not much difference, only
Yeah,
just
not
points
much
difference.
difference. There would be
Yes,
some
sir.
difference, but in some value there would be the difference actually.
Sir,
When
in these questions, sir, that you gave us, there is no difference. There is a huge difference in the linear one, but not in the
हाँ
forward and the backward one.
लीनियर तो रह गई बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू बिकॉज आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन फिक्स कर रहे हैं और वंस यू आर
Yes,
गोइंग
sir.
फ्रॉम दिस कर्वेचर पॉलिनोमियल थिंग So straight
Sir,
line
can
is
you tell us the answers and we will cross check our answers?
uh, okay. Uh, Let me see what answers. So whatever you majority will get, I think that would be the answer. But still, I can tell. What are you doing in your lab actually?
सर लैब हुई ही नहीं है
तो
प्रॉपरली.
मंडे की भी पोस्टपोन्ड होगी थी सर लैब.
Because he is busy in that short-term course actually. So first answer I calculated by hand that x equal to 10. This is 1926.49 from
Yes, sir.
that forward difference.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
सर यस सर यस.
So rest of the part actually, because as you were saying, because for that also I wrote my own MATLAB code for that, and I calculated from that only. So for that, because what I do in this computational uh, course actually, I just calculate one answer by hand. Then for that, I write a program, check my program whether my program works for one hand calculation. So if that works well, so rest of the answers I calculated by that particular program only. So uh, so I don't have as of now tabulated answer for means other values actually, but I can run them and get the values for time being. But if you are getting answers for one is correct 1926, so rest would also be fine.
So we'll cross check among ourselves. No problem.
Yeah, that's what. First, you people should cross check with the yourself because you are the eight students, so eight cannot make the same mistake if you are not copying from each other. Yeah, yeah. See, that is the very common thing. As you are doing yourself and all eight are getting same answers, then okay, then you are not, your thing is correct. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes sir. Yes.
But
Yes,
if
sir.
you will not use your thinking, your calculation at all, you will ask the Anish, you will ask the Rupesh or Aanchal or Sresha and Kritika, Ritu, Barsan, because you will ask them and you are just copy. So same answer नहीं है ना. If it is correct, then correct, wrong, then wrong. So इसीलिए therefore I am saying each of you should solve whatever is given to you and just cross check. That is the best way just to get your answers actually.
Yes sir.
I
Yes.
also have it. So I do calculation for one system only, and then I write the program. And then because this computation technique, as you are taking, calculations are easy, but taking long time, long formulas. So somehow, if you can think something for a program for that, which can help us, so we know the logic. As you say, you understood the concept, right? There no doubt in concept, but only thing in the application point of view. So application point of view, we have to think for program part there. So for time being, you have the Excel sheet. So Excel sheet can do your all the calculations, but that too only will work if you will write something on paper. Just like that, if I want to see, uh, so this is what if you can see on your screen. So I think something in the visible here, or I think due to light you can't see. So this much is the part you have to write your by hand because the Excel cannot do all this for you, right? पहले आप सारा चीजें पेन से पेपर पे लिखिए, right? Because if you will miss some step, your Excel will not tell that. So first you write your thing on your paper first, and paper आपका check होना चाहिए. I think you can see this one, right? So पहले आप सारे का सारा पेपर पे नोट करिए. This is my own thing actually. So something due to focus. So that you write everything on paper. After that, you can use your Excel sheet that just to do the calculations. And once it is being calculated for one value correctly, whatever you have to do, you have to just copy the column into the another one. So let me tell that how to do in the Excel part here. Can you see the screen or not?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
No,
Just
sir.
wait. Sometime.
So we are actually seeing two of you.
Yeah, everywhere I'm there. So actually, I so I need actually two because the laptop doesn't somehow doesn't allow to give the voice to you people. I can hear, but I cannot talk to you. So I connect from the mobile actually. Mobile gives audio and video, and PowerPoint is being done from the laptop only. I hope that you can see now, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
so Excel sheet you have this one. So let's see ये जो आपने forward difference वाला ही किया है. So पहले आपके पास you should have a forward difference formula there. You want there at x equal to 10, right? X equal to 10 पे you want to calculate all that alpha, delta q
So
square,
forward difference we can do. So can you please tell us the Lagrange one?
yeah, okay. So Lagrange में let's say first you are having for Q1 आपको calculate करना है ना.
Yes, sir.
Q1
Yes, sir.
calculate करना है, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
for Q you have a set of यहाँ पे आप सारा values आप पहले लिख दीजिए. X का value जो आपका है. X can we read the X values? X values are there, your 0, your 20, your 40. It will continue, I think, with a step size of 40, 20, right? So
20 step
so
size है 200
20,
तक.
20 step size is 200 tak. So you have till here. So these values you don't need. Corresponding values of Y you have here. Y means concentration only, or you can put concentration if you want. So there you have 0. You have here 106, and then you have 1600. After that you have 3000. Then you have 5810. Then you have 8600. Then you have 9430, 10950. Then how much? 10280. Then 9620. Then you have 9400. Correct? That's what you
Yes, sir.
have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you want to declare, let's say for Q1, you want to find. Can you tell me what is the expression for Q के लिए क्या निकालते हो वैसे? How to find Q? Your X minus something?
Sir, x minus
X minus
x2.
x1.
X minus X2, X minus X3. We just leave the first term and rest of
हाँ.
of
Yes.
it we subtract by X.
Okay. And for time being आपके पास X भी यदि आप क्योंकि the Excel है तो ये आपको X के terms में value नहीं देगा. It need a value,
Yes.
right? So X आपके पास है. First आप 10 पे निकाल रहे हैं, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right
sir.
or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
X
sir.
आप 10 पे निकाल रहे हैं तो आपका 10 is X. 10 में से सब्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं आप X1. नो, x q1 के लिए x1 तो आप वो नहीं कंसिडर
X2.
कर रहे हैं ना, 2 कंसिडर कर रहे हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
सो दिस इज योर x2. ये हो गया पहला. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. अभी आप फिर से आप 10 ले रहे हैं. अब 10 भी मैं फिक्स कर देता हूँ फॉर टाइम. लेट मी डू इट समथिंग बेटर. सो ये आपने अननोन लिया यहाँ पे. लेट्स से ये आपने फिक्स कर दिया 10 यहाँ पे. इसको आपने 10 पे कैलकुलेट करना है. दिस इज द कैलकुलेटेड पॉइंट 10. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन डू इट बेटर. We want here this value there. X is this, right? 10. So we want to read this value all the time. So we can put a dollar sign here. So dollar d dollar this. This means this 10 is fixed all the time now. This
Sir,
will come from this row.
how did you fix that value?
Okay, one thing is that this is, if you will do that way, if you will just click it here, this will already read. This is coming from column D and row 2. So this is what D2 here.
Okay.
Okay. So D2 means column D, row 2. If I just put dollar sign here, dollar before D and after D, now if we drag down this column here and there, paste this thing here and there, this remains same. This won't change. If you are fixing the value of a particular column and row, just put this symbol dollar before that column and dollar after that particular column, and then your row number or place where. So that will fix your 10 all the time now. So this is your x. Now you want to calculate for x2. So this is your x2, right? First term is calculated, x minus x2. After that you want to calculate x. So again your x is the same. This you want to calculate with x3. X3 is this. Fine. Again you are calculating next term there. So next term is your x minus the third one, this one. Then again you have your x minus of this one. Then multiply by again your x and minus of this one. Then multiplied by again this minus of this one. Then minus of this one. Then minus of this one. Then minus of this one. Minus of this. Is that fine till here?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So ये मैंने क्या किया, because this is your fax, so I have fixed this, so I have just wrote $D $2, so this is fixed now. How to put it everywhere, I can just copy it here and paste it everywhere wherever I want to use it, or I can retype it again. Choices are yours. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then these would come from the here, and that's what your top part is, right? ये आपने top का निकाल लिया. Now you want denominator part, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
denominator में you have x1 minus.
Same terms as above.
Yeah,
Sir,
x1
we would
minus
require
x2.
two bigger brackets too.
हाँ जी.
So we would require two brackets more at the starting of the formula, at the end of the formula, because we are dividing after that. Otherwise, it will divide just the last term you wrote.
Yes, sir.
Practically no, actually it won't create column. You can put a bracket, but it will follow the BODMAS rule, so that will not create a problem. If
Sir,
you
yes,
want,
sir, according to the board mass rule only. So we need to put
if there
वो एक ही बात है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा आपके आंसर में.
So if instead of multiplication, if there is addition or subtraction, then it is necessary to put bracket.
हाँ, that is must. Multiplication में फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, but other subtraction, addition, yeah, it would matter. Okay, so safer side you can put the bracket actually if you have any confusion, don't have the habit of that. So in the denominator, what you want there now, you want x1 minus, what do you want? जैसा denominator में क्या है बोलिए?
So x1 minus x2.
Okay, x1 minus x3
x2
and keep on
multiply.
continuing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So practically आप ये पूरा ही ले लीजिए, just copy the whole thing, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
पूरा कॉपी करके आपने यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दिया, लास्ट में उसको बंद भी कर दिया, बिकॉज ब्लैक साइन विल चेक द ब्लैक के आपका ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो गया। अब यहाँ पे हमारा x को जगह हमें x लाना है, राइट? x1 लाना है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
x1 हमारा ये है 10 वाट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So at this particular place here, which is my x, यहाँ पे मुझे ये लाना है, तो यहाँ जाके क्लिक कर दूंगा बस मैं। I will just click here. It will automatically come here. ये B4 आ गया। अब मुझे B4 फिक्स करना है because I have to calculate at all places, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have to put everywhere B4 here. So और उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी, पड़ सकती है वैसे, रख दो कोई बात। इसमें आप मैनुअल भी डाल सकते हो बिकॉज ये पूरा मैनुअल ही है। सो यू कैन जस्ट चेंज दिस और सो जहाँ पे आपका ये $D2 है वहां पे आप B4 पुट कर दीजिए सब जगह। और मेक श्योर बाय चेंजिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग केयरफुली। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
हो गया। So this is the expression for your Q1 and if you will enter it, you will get the answer. कितनी है आप लोगों का Q1?
Yes,
हेलो,
sir. Yes, sir.
कितनी आया सभी का?
Yeah.
हेलो,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes,
So
So
you
yes,
got
sir. Yes.
you got Q1.
117.
हाँ, so वो ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत आपका राउंड ऑफ का एरर पा सकता है। So you got Q1. Now you can calculate your Q2. So ये पूरा ही पहले आप फार्मूला लेके यहाँ कॉपी कर दीजिए, फिर देखते हैं चेंज क्या करना है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या चेंज करना है, यहाँ पे आपका यदि आप फार्मूले में क्लिक करेंगे तो ये D2 तो फिक्स ही है जो आपका S है। ओनली थिंग व्हाट आर यू चेंजिंग देयर दैट हियर टॉप में तो कुछ चेंज नहीं है, कुछ है चेंज?
Yes, sir.
ऑन टैप और टॉप आर यू चेंजिंग समथिंग और नॉट?
Yes, sir. X minus x1 हो जाएगा ना, और x minus
Yes, sir.
x2 रिमूव हो जाएगा।
x
Yes.
माइनस x1 हो जाएगा और x माइनस x2 जो है रिमूव हो जाएगा। सो ये x1 तो ये है, पहले भी था क्या? x1 तो वो तो जो हटाना पड़ेगा ना,
Yes, sir. x1 हटाना पड़ेगा, अभी x2
राइट?
x2
ये
में x2
अपने
हटाना
5
पड़ेगा।
लिया है ना, तो ये वाला हटाना पड़ेगा ना, दिस इज नॉट देयर, करेक्ट और नॉट?
नहीं सर,
ये
S की
आपका
वैल्यू तो सेम रहेगी ना Q2 में।
no, in top one if you are calculating Q1 you don't have S minus S1 on top, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, so
We have
therefore
x minus x1 on top, sir.
We
For
have
finding
In
Q2,
Q2,
yes,
yes, sir.
We have on
minus
top,
x.
we have all term on top, we have all term on bottom. In bottom one, you have x1 minus x1, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 like that. Correct or not? Hello?
Sir, in top also like if we are finding out Q1, so the X1 term is not included. We are starting it from X2. So if we are calculating it for Q2, so the X2 term won't be there. It would be X minus X1 and X minus
So
X3.
that's what
So
I'm
on.
saying. On top, if you are calculating Q1, S minus S1 is not there on top. That's what I want to
Yes,
say
Yes,
sir.
sir.
only.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That,
For Q1,
that's
x
what
minus x1 is not there.
this term is not there in the previous calculation. So this your have this you can check the term one by one. This is S minus B6. B6 is this. So S2 you have, S3 you have, 4 you have, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 ही है.
सर B4 नहीं है
Yes, sir.
स्टार्टिंग में.
हाँ तो B4 की जरूरत नहीं है ना, because
Yes, sir.
it won't come.
सर
सर
Q1
Q2
के
में तो
लिए
आएगा.
Q1 के लिए
Q1 के
B5.
लिए नहीं है,
हाँ B4
Q1
नहीं
के
है.
लिए जाना, राइट.
हाँ
Q1 के लिए नहीं है, वो ओनली Q2 के लिए पाएगा. And denominator you have S minus S1 minus S2, S1 minus S3, right? S1 minus S4, and that will continue till the last point. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is your Q. Now this is coming minus 0.01762. इतना आंसर आ रहा है ये वाला, यही है आप लोगों का.
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट Q2. अब Q2 के लिए व्हाट यू हैव हियर, यू हैव S1. सो S1 आप देख लीजिए. अरे मैंने थोड़ा गड़बड़ किया है, सॉरी है. लेट
सर
मी
Q1 की वैल्यू भी
चेंज.
चेंज हो गई है सर.
नहीं, वो Q1 में मैंने एक्चुअली आई जस्ट पुट वैल्यू ऑफ Y. सो मुझे
Yes, sir.
C को B में कन्वर्ट करना है बस. लेट जस्ट गिव मी वन टाइम. यहाँ तो ठीक है, हाँ वो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. हाँ वो दैट्स फाइन. अब यहाँ पे दिक्कत क्या आता है, जब आप कॉलम में एक को उठा के दूसरे में पेस्ट करते हैं, इट ऑलवेज रीड टू द नेक्स्ट कॉलम, बिकॉज प्रीवियसली ये यहाँ पे बी लिखा है सबने, राइट. सो इट विल पेस्ट इट हियर, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली विल गो टू सी. ये देखिए ये सी बन गया सब जगह. ये आल्सो सी, दिस इज आल्सो सी, दिस इज सी. हियर इज द नो चेंज, क्योंकि ये हमने फिक्स कर दिया. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव फिक्स. सो यहाँ पे नो चेंज. दिस इज $D2 में से ये वही रीड कर रहा है, बट ओनली थिंग बी हैज बीन चेंज बाय सी. सो ये आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा सारा. सो ये वो आपका सी है, दिस यू हैव टू चेंज बाय बी. फाइन. अब आपके पास यहाँ पे
Yes,
जो
sir.
एक टर्म है, S माइनस S1 भी आएगा और S2 नहीं आएगा, राइट. So this 5 would be changed by 4 now. So this is your S minus S1. S is this D2 and B4 is S1. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Rest of the terms are fine. उसमें बस C का आप B कर दीजिए. So you will just change it B here. This also B. और मैं इसको भी फिक्स कर सकता हूँ, right? Let's do that
Sir,
also quickly.
सर
Just wait.
कॉलम को Q1 के
हाँ,
कॉलम को एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते सर. लाइक
क्या कर सकते हैं?
सर Q1 का जो कॉलम है उसको नीचे कर सकते.
नीचे ऐसे ड्रैग कर सकते हैं. सो ड्रैग करोगे तो कुछ वैल्यू छूट जाएंगे. यू कांट डू दैट. सो यहीं पे आप जो है डॉलर साइन पुट अप कर दीजिए. ये नहीं है ये वाला. सो बिकॉज यू वांट द सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, सो जस्ट पुट हियर डॉलर. अब ये आपका
Okay.
फिक्स हो जाएगा. सो एवरीवेयर इफ यू विल फिक्स दिस डॉलर हियर, सो जहां भी आपका बी लिखा है डॉलर बी लगा दीजिए. सो देन योर प्रॉब्लम वुड बी सॉर्टेड आउट. क्योंकि ये हमारे टर्म फिक्स है ना, वी दीज टर्म्स आर फिक्स, ओनली थिंग समटाइम वी आर टेकिंग S1, sometime S2, rest of the things are fixed only. Okay, then here also you can put here dollar sign here. Okay, I'll change. So everything is changed. No. So to work on Excel, you just need some practice actually. Sometimes यदि आपके ब्रैकेट ठीक नहीं लगे तो you will not get correct answer also. अब यहाँ पे it doesn't mean कि जो हमने सारा कुछ पेस्ट कर दिया वो ठीक ही कर दिया. So here you have put dollar here. You can cross check here that everywhere you have put correctly or not. यहाँ तक ठीक है. After that you have substituted everywhere dollar. Now it's fine. Fine. Now if you will copy this here and paste it here, ये यहाँ से उठा के आपने यहाँ पेस्ट किया, कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. क्या चेंज हुआ? यू सी हियर, जहाँ पे हमने डॉलर नहीं लगाया, ये आपका पहले S1 था, X1 के जगह आपने लिया था B4. यदि आप पेस्ट करेंगे तो इट विल बिकम C4. सो ये आपको चेंज करना है. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर सेम. So what you have to change on top, you have to put a one term here, S minus X1. You have to take out 2 from the there. In denominator, you have to do there now S2 minus S1, S2 minus S3, right? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right? So let's do those changes now. So first you want here B4 also, right? So B4, if you want put that, so that is your B4 is your this one. Uh, B5 you don't want, but you want B6, right? Where had that gone? Previous one. This one. So you want ये B6. So आपके पास 4 है, first वाला. 5 you are not considering now, you are calculating for S2, X2 actually. Then 6 है, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Fine. That makes sense. So only आपने fifth वाला term is not coming, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in place of this, where you have C4, C4 was previously B4. B4 means X1. Now you want it X2, right? So if you want to make it X2, so here, so you will make it here now B5, right? Yes or no? Because B5 your
Yes, sir.
X2.
Yes, sir.
So B5 minus B5 doesn't make sense. So you are doing B5 minus B6 or B1, B4, sorry. That's what you
B5
have.
minus B4. Yes, sir. B5 minus
B4
B4.
and B5 minus B6, B7 and all this, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's see there. So you have again, you have B. So all your C4 would be changed by B5 now. So B5 minus B6 is fine. So this is also B5 minus B7 is okay. This is also B5. 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 फाइन हो गया. तो जो आपका B4 का C4 बन गया, सो नाउ यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग फॉर Q2, सो C4 को नाउ यू हैव टू चेंज नाउ बाय B5 टर्म, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Now
Yes, sir.
just put enter only. You will get the Q2 value 1.76. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you want Q3. अब ये आपका काम आसान बन जाएगा, because now you will get the practice here. Q3. अभी यहाँ पे क्या चेंज करना है? ओनली आपका ये टर्म बचेगा नहीं, राइट? आपके पास यू हैव दिस वन, ये आपका टर्म है s minus s1. This is the term s minus s3. So 3 will not come. Only thing 2 would come, right? So 3 को आप 2 बना दीजिए only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this 6
This
को
will
अब
be
यहाँ पे आप 5 बना
5 बना
दीजिए.
दीजिए.
That's all. Rest of the things no change from here to here. कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना है. Only आपको C5 के जगह अभी आपको क्या करना है? B6 करना है, right? जो आपका C5 बन गया ये,
Yes, sir.
उसको आपको B6 करना है. So that you can put now B6 here, and then you have B6. Then so you have here B6 minus B6. So B6 minus B6 will not make the sense. So वो term आपको हटा देना चाहिए, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the term which is have B6 minus B6 part. Fine. So ये आपने हटा दिया. Rest of the term you keep it. So you can put here B6, then B6 minus B7 makes sense. Then you have B6 minus B8, that's okay. Then again you have B6 minus B9. Then you have B6 minus B10. Then you have B6 minus B11. Then you have B6 minus B12 and B6 minus B13 and B6 minus. तो you just check कि आपके पास सारे terms आ भी गए कि नहीं. So you have 14, you have 13, you have 12, you have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. You have 7 के बाद 7 के बाद 6 you are not considering, right? But 5 should be there, right? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
5 should be there. You have 4, 5, 6 would go away. Then 7 should be there, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 7, you have to enter here because 7 is not here. So you have B6 minus B5. So 7 is not there. Actually, I deleted that. So you can put here. So you have B5 minus this dollar B and dollar
B6, sir.
6 तो हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं ना.
No, sir.
3 के लिए.
B6 minus.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ना.
Yes, sir.
Just put this one. So this way you can change it. You got your Q3. अब इसको आप फिर Q4 कैलकुलेट कर दीजिए. ऐसे ही करके just paste it here. So you can calculate Q4. So in Q4 The means again, so you are calculating here 7 actually, right? So इसमें टॉप वन में से 7 वाला टर्म्स आप हटा दीजिए. फाइन. 7 वाले को 6 से चेंज कर देंगे. यस और
Yes,
नो?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
7 को 6 से चेंज कर देंगे एंड लास्ट साइड में यहाँ पे C6 के जगह यू विल हैव नाउ विच वन?
B7.
B7, correct. So you can put here now the another term there, B7 at the place of C6. Everywhere you put B7 first. ठीक है? So B7. So you are getting here B7 minus B7. So B7 के जगह आप यहाँ पे किसको क्या कर देंगे? B6, right? Yes or no? Because the 7 is not coming,
Yes, sir.
right? So you are calculating here B6, right? B6 ही कर रहे हैं ना? Yes or no? हाँ. Third point is B7 ना? So B7 कर रहे हैं. Third point is B7. So in that way, so everywhere at the place of C6 you put B7 there. ठीक है? And just enter here. Fine.
Sir.
So that way I think you can complete all of them or not. Or shall I do for all? Hmm?
So we'll do it.
अब हो जाएगा सभी से?
Sir.
क्या नाम था? अनीस.
Yes, sir. I was actually doing it right now for the Q1. So let me check, sir, if the answer is correct or not. If the answer
Yeah.
matches your question,
हाँ.
then we will
हाँ.
solve for Q2, Q3, and Q4.
Right.
So
Right.
can you wait for
So,
5 minutes, sir?
sure.
I will
Sure.
solve it.
No. No problem. All of you can do that actually in the
Okay,
meantime.
sir.
मैं फिर तब तक ये कंप्लीट ही कर दूं. 5 मिनट में तो हो जाएगा कंप्लीट.
तो मुझे Q2 का वैल्यू
ओके.
डिफरेंट आया था सर. कैन यू चेक Q2 एक बार?
हाँ चलो चेक कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव x माइनस x1, x माइनस ये हो गया x3. सो ये तो ठीक है. 3 then 4 then 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. That is fine. Q2 is coming from actually B5. So it will B5 minus B4. B5 minus B6. B5 minus B7. B5 7 8.
सर सही है सर आपका.
ये ठीक है. ये तो
यस सर.
चेक इट है.
यस सर.
बाकी लोग भी करके चेक कर सकते हैं. सो now we want to have here 8, right? So 8 means x5. So x5 means your b8. So b8 will not come. So I will just change b8 to B7 only. So now this side I will just put now here. C7 will change by B8. So B8 and this would become now B7. So B8. Actually, there are so many brackets so and multiplications, so you should be careful in that only. I may also do the mistake, but anyone can do it, so that need to be checked. So this is your Q5. So then you can find your Q6. So here B8 will not be there. Now you have B9. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes, yes.
After putting all the values for Q1, I entered the enter button, but no value is coming. The whole terms
Ah,
are written there. What do I have to do
because
for that?
I hope you might have not put the equal sign here while the typing the formula.
No, sir. Okay, we have to
So
put
you have to
equal.
put that.
Okay.
Okay. So for B8 is over. B9. Yeah. So should be B8. There should be no B. So B9. No, we have B10.
So my Q1 value is different from yours.
Check करो ना formula if you
तो
can
मेरा 0.1761 आ रहा है.
okay. Let's see others.
सर आई
What
थिंक
about
आपका
others?
Q1 भी स्टार्टिंग में वही था, फिर कुछ आई
Yes, sir.
Starting में all of us can
Point.
do the same mistake, na? Or I can also do the mistake. That's not a problem. So we can check it.
यस सर
So what you have here, this you have x minus of this is your x2, x minus x3, x minus x4.
सर उधर B5 भी आना चाहिए सर स्टार्टिंग में x माइनस
No,
x2 B5 आना चाहिए सर
uh, oh, एक मिनट, हाँ एक टर्म गायब है क्या इसमें से?
यस सर
One term is missing, right? 6 आ गया. 6 is
यस सर
this.
यस सर वी
5
हैव
is
टू
not
ऐड
there.
B5 आल्सो
Oh, चलो उसको ऐड करो भी. So you have so these mistakes could be possible actually. Minus of this dollar B dollar 5. So of 5 आ गया, 4 is not there. That's fine there.
यस सर
Correct?
यस सर
अभी ठीक है. Hope so. This one.
यस सर यही आ रही
Yes.
है
Same.
ठीक है. So this I have to add in this one also, ना then. ये बाद
एंड
वाले
सर
में से
आई एक्चुअली डोंट सी द यूज ऑफ द डॉलर साइन यू आर सेइंग कॉपी पेस्ट ही कर रहे हैं तो फिर सर डॉलर की क्या जरूरत है आई डोंट रियली
अभी
अंडरस्टैंड द
आप
यूज ऑफ डॉलर
यस सर तभी आप दूसरे कॉलम में तो पेस्ट करिए. अभी आप दूसरे कॉलम में पेस्ट करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि सारा आपका सी का डी बन गया और बी का सी बन गया. सो यू हैव टू चेंज एट एवरी प्लेस. डॉलर इज देखिए आप एक फार्मूला इफ यू कैन पेस्ट इट हियर 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 यू डोंट वांट एनीथिंग टू चेंज एक्सेप्ट वन वेरिएबल. सो यदि आप यहाँ पे डॉलर साइन बोलने लगाएंगे तो वट एवर यू आर पेस्टिंग हियर टू दिस साइड everything would get shifted from one column to this side. Everything. जो यहाँ
ओके
पे
सर
था ना B would become C.
यस सर
यदि आप यहाँ से यहाँ पेस्ट करेंगे तो भाई Q2 का वैल्यू फिर से चेक करिए तो Q2 अभी ये इसको करेक्ट करके तो वैल्यू आ गया -17. तो इसमें क्या नहीं रहेगा?
B4 नहीं है सर. B4 होना चाहिए इसमें.
हाँ
B4.
एक्चुअली द
B4
टाइम इज
है.
अप वी हैव अनदर क्लास एट 11:30
Yeah, that's fine. So you complete it. Actually, this is the way this needs to be completed.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. You can leave the
so
class. I will continue with this.
so sir finally what
Okay.
we do for the assignment we don't solve
You
for
have to
the
complete.
Lagrange
No, you have to solve this because you have this table. Use the value from the
so we
here.
can
Write
directly
it.
write the answer from like Q1 QT
No, no,
Q3
no,
to
no, no.
Q11
First, you have to write on paper first.
yes sir
From here, you just take their values.
so we have to write the
So,
formula and then we have to directly
yeah,
write the
you
values
have to write formula x minus x1. That much you have to write.
yeah okay sir
Without that, because the Excel sheet cannot do the magic to you. If something has been left, how would you cross check?
okay sir
You cannot write, no?
okay
So this is the Excel is also some sort of the programming only, right? So until unless you don't have things on the paper, things will not work. Okay.
okay sir
So you can leave the class, you can complete it and send it to me.
Okay, sir.
okay sir
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
okay sir thank you sir
Complete it,
Thank you, sir.
don't leave it if you have